My name is Lillian Charles. Since 2011, I've had the opportunity to style hundreds of women. And of course, it's always been more than just about fashion. On this journey of serving others and quite frankly, figuring myself out, I found these things to be true. We as a collective are starving to break free of life on autopilot. We are longing to belong and to be seen authentically. We are eager to discover our purpose, and we desire to live truly fulfilled lives. Many of you have asked how I've been able to grow as a person and as a business. It hasn't been easy, and I certainly don't have it all figured out. But that's why I've created Intentionally Gray, a platform of leaders in movement, mindfulness, and motivation to share their expertise and help us evolve together.